here. Steaming up. It's grey, it's miserable. Just remember to do my helmet up. Oh dear, oh dear. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Monday. It's miserable. It's grey. Look at this. Absolutely honking. Honking Monday. I'm going to call this one. Rats. Right. So what we've got set up then. We've got the GoPros. They're all good to go. What I've done is I've stuck my cheap Chinese SJ4000 on the back. So we've got a I called it the A-cam or the arse cam, and it's trying its best to kind of rain. It's a bit spitty this morning. I've also managed to stick my remote onto the yoke, so when I start using my my other helmet, because I haven't got the battery eliminator set up on the other helmet, I can see when I'm recording and that, which would be good, because you can't see the light flashing with the new case. Yeah, it's a bit ropey. It's all you need, isn't it? Monday morning. Oh, it looks like this. Proper ropey. So what we've got to look forward to this week. Whoa! Got some go-karting going on tomorrow. It's going to be interesting. Oh, that stinks. Ooh. Smells like someone's had a massive air poo. Tell you what, this is going to be proper mundane, this one. Cut to the afternoon. Get past all these lot. Goodness. Ooh. You alright? Yeah. Well, she said it, she was alright. I take it she was alright. Bit of a dodgy place to stop on the side of the road though. And that SV650 looked suspiciously like one that we used to know, that I did a walk around of, that was restored. Oh, welcome back everybody. Oh my goodness. Today, turning into an absolute epic of a day. So now, I'm just on my way back now to my house because I've got the gas man coming. Got to do a compulsory gas test. I've already missed 2 of his appointments. And I've been getting some snotty letters through. So I've got to go and do that. But, oh my goodness. How hard is it to try and organise anything these days? Trying to organise a go-karting for a works do, and working out saying, no, we don't really recognise that. It's a government-run bloody scheme that the government pay for, team building, and working out saying, nah, we don't recognise that. Oh, I'm absolutely raging. So, yeah, not happy. Super stressed out. What was that bird about earlier anyway? On a lighter note, parked on the side of the road, a helmet off, on a phone, on the SV650. Talk about pick a dodgy place to stop. Where's this geezer going? Cheers. Yeah, talk about dodgy. Stop in there. Plus it's gone super cold again for some reason. I took the winter lining out of my jacket, which was a bad move, and it's gone over cold and we're just about going to May. What's all that about? Oh my goodness. You left that a bit late, didn't you? Where's the van going? Oh, what's he swerving around? Nothing in the road. Up here. Should have gone round them, shouldn't I? Oh my goodness, come on. Definitely need to get around this geezer, or this lady, whoever it is. Yep, lady. Oh well people, I think I'm going to end this one here on this grey miserable Monday, which so far has been absolutely epic. So, if you like the videos, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe. Also don't forget to share, and if you want to get notifications, hit that, smash that notification bell. And that is Jim Diesel out. Goodness, look at that geezer on his phone, not paying attention, wants to get squashed.